Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install Stamped on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your Shopify store and then open your Shopify dashboard. And then from the app section, install Stamped. And after successfully installing it, you have to open a new tab and search for Stamped IO, and then search install. After that, select the second link, then select first option, and now copy the code. Now after going back to the Shopify store, click on the online store button from the left side of the corner of the menu bar. And now after selecting online store, click on themes button. And now click the three dots option, that is also known as actions drop down menu. After the drop down appears, select the edit code option, and now the code editor will open. Now click on theme.liquid and paste the code on the last, and now click on the save button. Now again open stamped IO and now select the second option. Now copy the code. Now repeat the same step. Go to the online store, again go to the actions button and then click on the edit code option, and again the code editor will open. And now you have to paste the code under product.liquid tab. So after selecting the product.liquid tab, paste the code on the last, and now click on the save button. Now again open stamped IO and now select the third option. Now again copy the code. Now after going back to the code editor, select product.template.liquid, and now you have to paste the code under product.template.liquid tab, and on the last paste the code, and now click on the save button. Now again go back to the stamped IO and select the fourth option, again copy the code, get back to the code editor, and now click on the product.cart.liquid option. After opening the tab of product.cart.liquid, paste the code on the last, and now click on the save button. So now after saving, open your website and view all the changes. So that's how you will install Stamped on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.